And we are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lair business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight, we will be talking about something that I believe we all need to pause and reflect on. Living with intention. Making choices that align with your values. Minsan kasi, ang sobrang bilis ng buhay, we start living on autopilot. Gigising ka, work, tapos uuwi, scroll sa phone, tulog, then repeat. Pero, have you ever stopped and asked yourself, is this the kind of life I really want to live? Let me share something real with you. There was a time when I was doing right, everything right, my work, my income, my routine, but deep inside, I felt this emptiness. Parang kahit busy ako, I wasn't fulfilled. Until one day I realized I was living by default, not by design. I was doing what was expected, not what was aligned with my values. So I paused and asked myself hard questions. What truly matters to me? What kind of mom, daughter, or person do I want to be? And most importantly, am I living in a way that reflects my faith and purpose? That's when things began to shift. I started saying no to the things that drained my energy, and yes to the things that filled my heart. No to constant busyness, and yes to meaningful work. No to pleasing everyone, and yes to peace. No to fear, and yes to faith. And when I started aligning my choices with my values, something beautiful happened. I began to feel lighter, more grounded, and more joyful. Because living intentionally doesn't mean having it all figured out. It means making every choice count. Every yes and every no shapes the kind of life we create. And when those choices come from a place of clarity and purpose, life starts to feel right. So mga kakwento, maybe tonight is a reminder for you. You don't have to do everything. You just have to do what matters most. Live with intention. Align your actions with your heart. And trust that when your choices are rooted in your values, you'll never lose your way. This is your life, your journey, your purpose. Make it count. So if this message spoke to your heart, share it with someone who might need this reminder too. Let's continue to grow together, live with intention, and inspire others along the way. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more, you can direct message me or register on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.